Hello everyone. Paul wanted the Thessalonians to know the truth about those who have fallen asleep. Those who defend the immortality of the soul use the expression, God will bring with him those who sleep in Jesus, to affirm that souls of the dead will come with Jesus to receive their physical body. If that were true, why would they need to be resurrected? If they weren't already with Jesus, they don't need to be resurrected and ascend to heaven to be with him. The hope of the resurrection would become useless if those who have died were already living with Jesus. Our consolation resides in the resurrection. God bless you.